I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Have done a lot of things for this project na hindi pa nila ginagawa before. Like what Direk mentioned, talagang buong puso at kaluluwa ang binigay nila. In fact, if it's okay to mention, I think it's okay. You guys are producers as well for the movie that we have.
Oh, nasa poster pangalan nila eh.
Oo, ayan. At least, klaro lang lahat. Ibang klaseng dedication itong binigay nila Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano for this project. And now, we move on to one of the biggest surprises that we have for all of our kapamilyas, including our cast right now. For weeks, audiences have been sharing theories, various reactions, and a lot of feels after seeing our announcement teaser and posters. But today, we finally get a deeper glimpse into the story of Cisco and Cheska. And mind you, mga kapamilya, when we showcase this big surprise, this gift that we're about to give you right now, this will make it a little bit more real and I'm sure a little bit more emotional. So, si Direk naghahanda na ng tissue na and I suggest you would do the same because we are so ready. My question is, kapamilya, are you ready? Are you ready? Finally, we are releasing the trailer of Tayo sa Wakas. Watch this.
Hindi mo tayo maghiwalay, di ba?
No. Never. Love you, dogs.
I love you more.
I love you more. Ako? Tignan na kita.
Sama na ko, eh.
Okay.
Sa Tarlac.
Oh. Okay.
Uy, ako kaya. You're great.
The best!
Yes, you are.
Since we always work best together, why do it for someone else? If we can do it for ourselves.
I'm not joining you. Are we okay?
You don't trust me.
It's about responsibility.
Akala ko ba wala akong dapat patunayan sa'yo?
Hindi ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng gusto mo, susundin ko.
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
That is what everyone has been saying in this studio. I'm sure you guys are all fidgety. So excited. Iba't ibang emosyon ang nararamdaman natin, di ba? Pero bago natin tanungin yung cast, why not I do something different, no? Tanungin muna natin yung ibang mga friends from the media on how they felt when watching that world premiere of trailer na Tayo sa Wakas. Okay, since naka-white kayo, sir, can you tell us your name for the benefit of everyone watching? And let me know your feels while watching the official trailer.
Bakit ako?
Bakit hindi ikaw? Ang dami nating katanungan na sila ba magiging hanggang dulo o hindi? Ano ba? What's your name, brother?
I'm Franco po.
Franco from what media?
Huwag niyo na po tanongin yan.
Oh, okay. Sir Franco?
Yeah.
Starts with a letter na lang.
Gusto niya bulong ko na lang.
Okay, bulong na lang later. Sige, sige. So Franco, while watching the trailer, anong
Ang sakit.
nakarinig ka ba? Different?
Alam mo talaga ano siya. Blockbuster. Kasi naka-weak si Belle.
And si Tony.
Yan ang secret ni Direct Cathy. Lahat ng leading ladies niya naka-weak. At yon, blockbuster yun.
Yeah, okay. Part of the formula.
Part of the
Of
formula.
Cathy Garcia.
Part of Star Cinema formula. It's very, alam mo talagang masakit, may hapte. Kaya alam ko magugustuhan nila ng fans and also the casual viewers. Kasi alam natin na ang casual viewers, ang gusto nila ay lagi sila masasaktan.
Yeah, tama.
Yan yung mga gusto nila lagi sila umiiyak pagkatapos ng manood sa cinema. So, I hope they will watch it.
This will be a great film. Thank you so much. So much, Franco. Okay. Finally, tulong mo lang sa akin kung anong media out. Oh, okay. Ay, nako. Finally, my big revelation. I will keep that secret to a grave, okay? Okay, how about... Okay, oh. Miss Franz. Of course. Mga words natin. Franz, how did you feel?
Hi guys! Ayun. Ang bigat. Kasi parang for someone na nasubayban sila from his into her going here, parang ang tagal kasi for me parang ang tagal namin hinintay itong movie na to na yung maturity nila. We've seen them grow from me. Tapos dito sa category siya sa Pana Film. So parang meron kang wakas na ba talaga to? Parang are we really here? Saka parang yung mga eksenang lagi namin nandito sana may ganito, sana may ganyan. Parang dito, ibibigay nila sa amin lahat yung ano namin. Saka this is, I believe baka parang award winning for them. This will be their award winning. My pleasure. No? And then congrats guys,
Oh,
sabi ko.
We'll keep the questions later, okay, Miss Franz? I'm sure you are so excited for that to happen, and we as well, okay? Before we get to our Q&A, na syempre meron si Franz no na maya. I wanna ask you guys, this is your first time